NotebookLM is an AI tool that helps you study faster by working directly with your PDF files. Instead of reading long documents, you can upload a PDF and ask the tool to explain everything in simple language. It is designed for students, teachers, and anyone who needs quick and accurate notes. This tool saves time and reduces confusion during study sessions. To get started, you only need a Google account and a PDF file on your device. Open NotebookLM in your browser and create a new notebook. Once the notebook is created, you will see an option to add sources on the left side. This is where you upload your PDF file. After uploading the PDF, NotebookLM will take a few seconds to read and understand the content. When the file is ready, you can start interacting with it using the chat box. The tool will only use information from your uploaded document. This makes the answers more accurate and reliable. Now you can ask NotebookLM to create clean study notes from the PDF. You can request notes in bullet points with clear headings and key terms. The AI will organize the information in a simple and readable format. This is perfect for quick revision before exams. If you want a short overview, you can ask for a summary of the PDF. NotebookLM can generate a summary and a few key points. You can also ask it to focus on a specific chapter or page range. This helps when the document is very long. One powerful feature is the ability to create important questions from the PDF. You can ask NotebookLM to generate exam-style questions based on the content. These questions help you understand what topics are most important. This is very useful for exam preparation. NotebookLM can also generate multiple-choice questions from your PDF. You can ask for MCQs with 4 options and correct answers. The tool can even add short explanations for each answer. This turns your PDF into a complete practice test. You can also use NotebookLM like a personal tutor. Ask it to explain difficult topics in very simple words. You can request real-life examples to understand concepts better. This is helpful for beginners who struggle with complex topics. Another useful feature is creating a study plan from the PDF. You can ask the tool to make a 1-day or 1-week study schedule. It will divide topics into time blocks for easy learning. This helps you study in an organized way. By using NotebookLM correctly, you can save many hours of study time. It helps you focus only on important information. You no longer need to feel overwhelmed by long PDFs. With smart prompts, learning becomes faster and more effective.